So, burnout and overwhelm, do you resonate with it and would you like some help on it? That's what we're going to do today in today's tapping video. So have a feeling about what does burnout look like to you? Do you regularly get burnout and how does it make you feel? Just notice those feelings. You could usually probably feel that somewhere in your body, that lack of energy, that tiredness, feeling withdrawn, whatever that looks like to you. See where you are and see where you'd like to be. Just have a little think about that for a moment. And that's what we're going to tap on. And have a think about how you'd like to feel at the end of this kind of 5-minute video. What would be your goal? Okay. And just focus on those feelings for the moment. Okay. So I often experience burnout. And it's so draining and exhausting. I just want to be able to let it go. And instead I choose to love and accept myself. But all this feeling of burnout, feeling overwhelmed, exhausted, tired, grumpy, it's just doing me no good. I just want to be able to let it go. And I choose to accept me now anyway. But the amount of times I'm struggling with burnout, and it makes me feel terrible in so many ways. I just want to be open to working on that today. And I want to be able to let some of these feelings go. Instead, I want to feel in a clearer space. And I choose to be open to accepting me now, instead of beating myself up all the time, which I regularly do. And maybe anyone else that might be involved. Okay, great, going on the points. So I've been struggling so much with burnout. I often find I'm at the end of my tether. And I'm feeling so tired. Complete lack of energy. Feeling agitated. All these feelings of burnout. And it's affecting my physical health and my mental health. It's just having such a negative impact on me. I just want to be able to let it go. I want to use tapping to let it go. I want to feel more energized, in a happy space, feeling much calmer with more clarity. I want to let go all that brain fog. I want to let go these feelings of agitation. I want to let go that negative thought pattern that keeps whirling round and round in my head. All that stuff just leading to burnout. Maybe thought processes that lead to it. All the things that I've got to juggle in my life. And I'm just often at the end of my tether. Feeling exhausted, teary, feeling agitated and upset. What if I could let all this stuff go? What if I could let go what's right for me? Instead, I just choose to feel in a calmer space. What if I could just breathe in feelings of calm? What if I could let go of this pattern of negative thinking? What if I could just feel more energized? Maybe I'll have a much better sleep tonight. Just imagine how much better I'll feel tomorrow. Just tapping into letting go these feelings, letting go this overthinking, and letting go all these stresses, which will lead me into a much better sleep. And if any negative thoughts or feelings or anything pops up, I'm just going to tap for a moment. I'm going to say, let it go. Let it go. I don't need you. I'm in control. Letting go all the way back through my past. I'm in charge. And it feels really good. So I'm feeling in a bit of a clearer space. And I tap into these feelings now. Goodbye feelings around burnout. I don't need you. Feeling more calm and relaxed through every single cell in my body. That's great. Take a nice deep breath. Breathe out. right? Check in with how you're feeling. I want you to repeat this video as and when necessary. Don't just do it once. It takes longer than 5 minutes, you know, if you've been suffering for this 365, how many years or whatever. Repeat this video as and when necessary. If anything else came up, I want you to tap on that as well. If you do need more support, remember these are just the basics in these videos. Drop me a message and I can certainly help. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Change for Success. Loads more free videos and info on there. Okay, take care and enjoy the rest of your day.